Yeah, today we're gonna do 2014 and 15 and up, you know, for Dodge Charger, configure 212 to the stock system. So first of all, you just remove the one screw here and then unplug it, and then we're gonna get the signal from here. So I'm gonna use T-taps so you don't have to cut the wire. So white color is a positive, black color is a negative. So we just unplug it and then go by here. Then use the male plug. Green with the white, positive, gray with the white, negative for one channel, one voice coil. And then the other one is green with brown, positive, light brown with dark brown is a negative. And we're gonna run the wire. Same length as a factory wire. I run this wire over here. And then we have some slot here. You just plug it in. Plug the wire back in. Now we're gonna do the battery wire. Right here for the fuse holder. Yeah, put the black tape end of the wire so it doesn't touch anything while you're running the wire. That's a 10mm for the battery. Okay, before you hook up the wire, just cut it U-shape a little bit so you can slide into the battery port. And then put the wire underneath. And then over here. Okay, we're done for the battery wire. Now, the one that we're gonna use the LC1, but they have an automatic remote turn on, but they always have a delay power. So I'm just gonna straight hook up to the fuse box so we can get the manually turn off your amp tunnel wire. So that way, every time you turn off the car, it turn off right away. That one we're gonna do from the fuse box, which is on the fuse box. The one that we're gonna use is this fuse right here for the remote tunnel wire. So just unplug it. Just twist the wire, or either you can just use the fuse distribution clip, but make sure this one goes to the middle so it can be fused. Push it in on the wire by your auxiliary battery wire. Make sure the wire is not slammed by the cover. First, through the wire that goes to the auxiliary wire to the battery, and go under. Okay, this is how I organize the wire. And then next will be ground wire. Okay, ground wire. I just did it there. Scratch off the paint too.